Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Delightful Creations. I'm Amber. Yes, I know we're getting into the fall season, but I bought the most gorgeous teacup paper set from Janie B Journals. It's called Vintage Teacups on Etsy. It was a $2 kit, and it is absolutely gorgeous that I had to print it out immediately. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be using this for a journal, but I'm kind of feeling like mixed media type of stuff, like fussy cutting out that bird and the spoon with this bird and roses, and I did print them double-sided, but I may turn it into a journal. I just didn't know for sure. Maybe some pockets and that kind of thing. So I did want the option to be able to use it as a journal, but this kit is so pretty. I love that there's room to write, and I love that there's such bold imagery. It really reminded me kind of the Prima and the Stamperia paper. It's just so gorgeous that I don't feel bad about cutting it up. Of course, I can print it again and again and again and get different effects every single time. Look at these teacups. I love fancy cups like that. I think they're so pretty. On the back side, it's a really light wash. It almost looks like it's blank, but it's a really light pink wash. And then here's the teapot with the stamping and the rose and the birds. And the script in the background. She did a lovely job of making this kit. And I found her when I did my last scrap journal. I cheated and I bought her kit, and it was a masculine one. This is a blue damask pattern, but I bought the masculine one from Janie B Journals, and I made a whole journal out of that. So technically it wasn't scrap journal, but I sent that off to Miss Lindsay Zenor, and hopefully she'll be getting to my box soon and sharing that journal with all of you. Of course, I will upload my flip through of it once she shows them on her channel. So that's what I'm waiting for. And then this is this page again. I liked it so much I printed it twice. And then on the back of that, some more of that script with the little hints of blue. Now, this is a full-on journal kit. You get plenty of ephemera to play with. Again, mixed media pieces, you guys. Pockets, tucks. So fun. These are 3 postcards, and they are the same pages that are from your kit here, but she's just made it into a postcard in the background. 3 large giant tags here as well. I printed these on really thin paper because I already knew I was going to use these for mixed media. This particular one, the other pieces are on my 28 grain white copy paper. And so here you get a couple of birds to fussy cut out and a couple of roses and a really pretty coin envelope. Another gorgeous little envelope here as well. So yeah, she gives you a full kit to play with. Look at this. It's just like never ending. For $2. I paid $2 for the set. So yeah, definitely go check out her shop. She has some really pretty stuff. Some tickets, some more little tags here, and then it's a couple more tickets down at the bottom. And then other little journaling spots here. This one is on really thick paper. I don't know. That must have got stuck in the printer. Sometimes I change up my paper and then I forget to reach in the back and grab the paper that I'm not using anymore. And then here is a piece of journaling paper that you can tuck. It'll fit inside this envelope, I'm assuming. Just fold it in half and tuck it in there. And it's on thick paper too. Some more, guys. I mean, I'm not even kidding you. This is a great value. And I don't know if I got it on sale or if that was the full price, but either way, it's a gorgeous vintage rose, kit. Even though it's called teacup, I mean, you don't have to use those pages if you just want the roses and the birds. So this is 2 tags, but I may use it as a tag flip up, like a hinge flip. So fun. Okay, now because I had that kit, I had to go play with some food coloring, and I have 3 different shades of what I was trying to get the rose color. So this is red food coloring, and I just have 4 pages. It's really bright, and I don't know if I'll be using, maybe I use these in a journal or with this journal or mixed media or what have you, but I really like how this one turned out. These pages here in the middle are my favorite, and so there's more of them. And I just added, I like that speckled, like, look at that fun grunge. Like, what is that? I don't know. I bake these in the oven, so they do have my oven thing on the other side. But, yeah, I just layered them so you get this other look of just a little bit more interest and grunge to it. But I love this color. And then in the back, I added more blue, so it turned the rest of the papers purple, which was a nice, I mean, I knew it was going to make it purple, but I thought it would be more of a lighter lavender type purple, but it's pretty dark. And then I stuck a doily in there. Isn't that cool? I've never done that. So it looks like a stack of papers, which it was, overlapping, and then a doily on top. So I had a lot of fun playing around with drying the papers and having them get this different effect. There's some more. This one had 2 doilies on it. Isn't that neat? And that one had 1. Just 1 doily. I just baked it like that, and I love it. So much fun. So that is my little Etsy share, and of course, food coloring my papers here. I hope you'll go check out her Etsy and just have a look for yourself and see if there's anything in there that you would like to add to your collection. Can't wait to talk to y'all again really soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.